headdress. I can think of the word. This is so African right now. It's like I'm doing a Sundance. You think I'm making this shit up, but I'm not.
I believe you.
Holy balls!
Get it? This is some African shit. All we need is our drums and shit. And like clothing.
If you had a headdress, I'd totally be wearing it right now. Oh, shake! Shake! Holy balls! What the fuck? Bleed!
A little delayed.
It would make me touch my crotch. I can only imagine how weird my face looks right now.
It's not even that bad. It's actually pretty seductive. Face looking shit. This is a pretty, like, move a hip.
If I just did this for like 30 minutes every day, I'd weigh like 90 pounds.
I know, seriously though. You would, like, seriously. It's like an exercise. Maybe that's why they did it. Just random shit moves that would just make you, like, go crazy or something. They probably wouldn't expect people like us, though, to, you know,